So good morning, one and all. So in this session, we will be studying about that is SSI, means small scale industries in India. Okay. Hope you know by seeing these images, you come to know what is about small scale. So in this session, we will be studying about the meaning and what are the objectives of small scale industries in India, and what is the role of small scale sector in India, as well as what are the advantages of small scale sector. So first we will understand what is small scale sector industries. So here it says meaning of small scale sector according to fiscal commission. Okay, according to fiscal commission, wait a minute, according to fiscal commission 1950. Okay, according to fiscal commission 1950, a unit operating mainly with labor, usually 10 to 15 handle, for them we call as small scale sector industry. Means according to fiscal commission 1950, means a unit or business operating mainly with labors with hand usually of 10 to 15 handle, for them we call as uh, small scale sector. Okay, and one more, in other words it is an industry. Okay, it is an industry. Okay, it is an industry which is having the capital. Okay, small scale sector means it is an industry which is having the capital, means investments which they have made more than 25 lakhs and up to 5 crores. Such industries is known as small scale industries. Understood? Small scale industry means whose capital investment is up to 25 lakhs or up to more than 5 crores. Such industry we known as small scale sector. See, in the previous, before independence or after independence, where the investment was 2 lakh for the small scale industries. Okay, the investment was 2 lakhs. Day by day, the investments, the government has been changed the investment procedures. Okay, earlier it was 2 lakh, then it came to 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs. According to the various, what are the policy government have been implemented, according to that, various investments have been range. Say earlier it was 1 or 2 lakh investments for small scale industries. Means the government have more made that the investment which is having 2 lakh, for them they used to call small scale industries in 1950. Afterwards in 1991 it came to 10 to 15 lakhs. Okay, at present now the investment which is 25 lakh above, again above to 4 crores, means where the investment is of 25 lakh and above up to 5 crores it is investment, for them we call as small scale industries. Mainly it was like we tell cottage industries, that comes under small scale, means where we make handloom, handcraft, such comes under small scale sector. Okay, understood about small scale sector means where the investment or capital investment is 25 lakh. Abhishek, unmute yourself. Means where the investment is 25 lakh and above 5 crores. For them we call as small scale sector. As I told, in the year 1950, the investment was 2 lakh or 3 lakhs. Day by day in the year 1991, it came to 10 to 15 lakhs. At present, the investment is how much? 25 lakhs or up to 5 crores. Such industry, we call them as small scale industry. Okay, next we will move, that is there are some definition of small scale industry. The first definition is about conventional definition. Conventional means there are various three types of definitions of small scale industry. See, first one is conventional, second we have operational, third one we have national income accounting. See, first is about conventional definition. So here what it says, cottage industries as well as handicraft industries that employ conventional labor oriented. Means in conventional means where the cottage industry as well as handicraft industries that employ, means where they produce labor oriented goods, where they produce labor oriented goods. For them we call as mainly in the rural areas, means mainly they will be in rural areas, like example handloom and handicraft. Handloom and handicraft, that is about conventional. Means in conventional definitions where we have, where we will manufacture cottage as well as handicraft, usually by labor oriented, means by using labors, like to produce some products, like mainly in rural areas, like we have handloom and handicrafts. This is about conventional. Next coming operational, means all undertakings having an investment in fixed assets, like where we undertake any industries where we having some fixed units, like like fixed we have plant and machineries, were held on ownership terms by lease or hire purchase. Lease means suppose a person is not having that much of fund to purchase that plant, building or machinery. He goes to on leasing basis. Leasing basis in Kannada we call hatti. We can call it hatti basis. Leasing means suppose a person is not having that much of fund or capital to buy those machineries. He go to the leasing purpose, means where another party will uh, provide him assets or machineries on term basis, like 1 year or term basis. And on board we have higher purpose. Higher purpose means where we'll purchase goods on some installment basis, means monthly will pay installment. That is called as higher purchasing, not exceeding up to rupees 60 lakhs. That is called as about operational, means where we will undertake an investments, where we make investments to purchase any plant or machineries on ownership term, means on own basis will purchase, or will go to on lease purpose, means taking others goods on lease basis for long term or for short term, or for higher purchase, means where will purchase on credit basis, on credit on credit basis, as well as this should not exceeds up to 60 lakhs. For them we call as operational. Next come national income accounting. Okay, national income accounting means a unit which is established or engaged in like manufacturing or servicing or preservation of having investments in plant which should not exceed, that is also up to 60 lakh, means where the exempt limit should be 60 lakh. So these are the various definitions which will be helpful for you. Means we have conventional, operational or national income. Okay, understood? They're the definition. But in simple meaning about small scale industry, we can call them as an industry or unit where the investment, or the capital is for how much? 25 lakh, up to 25 lakh or up to 5 crores. For that investment we call as small scale industry. Examples I have told, we make handloom, handcrafts by making labor. Okay, by labor oriented means where we use labors. Okay, that we call as small scale sector. Next, moving to see another, we have that the small scale industries. Okay, the small scale industries have been classified in three categories in India. Okay, see, as you saw, these small scale industries, these have been broadly classified into how much? Three categories, especially in India. Like we have cottage industries, and one more we have modern small units or traditional small units. So these are the three categories of which of small scale industries in India. Okay, one by one we will be studying what is uh, first category of cottage industry. Okay, so here it says, okay, sorry, wait a minute.